Krishna Majmudar. Today we will learn about the thing that covers the land surface on the earth. Yes, your guess is right. Soil. So today's my topic is soil. Soil is very important for life on earth because all the plants grow on soil and animals including human beings are dependent on plants for food and oxygen. Let's learn more about the soil. What soil is made up of? It is made up of dead plants and animals, water and some air. Soil is formed by wearing away of stones and rocks by wind, water, roots of plants. After thousands of years, they are converted into a fine powder called sand. When this sand mixes with organic matter, it is called soil. Soil formation is a continuous process in the nature. Types of soil. There is 6 types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. Alluvial soil. This type of soil is spread over about 43% of total area of India. This soil is found in the northern plains from the Brahmaputra valley in the east up to Satluj in the west and in the delta region of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. The formation of alluvial soil is due to the alluvial deposition by rivers. There is more proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and limestone in this soil and there is less proportion of nitrogen and humus. Crops like wheat, paddy, sugarcane, jute, cotton, maize, oilseeds, etc. can be grown in this soil. Next, black soil. Black soil is also known as Regur or black cotton soil. This soil was formed due to the spreading of Deccan lava. Such soil is found in entire Maharashtra, western Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and certain part of Karnataka. In Gujarat, Surat, Bharuch, Narmada, Vadodara, Tapi and Dang district have this type of soil. Lava rocks and climate play an important role in the formation of such oil. There is more proportion of iron, lime, calcium, potash, aluminium and magnesium carbonates in this type of soil. It is considered to be quite fertile. Crops like cotton, linseed, mustard, groundnut and tobacco are grown in this soil. Next, red soil. It is occupied about 19% of the total land of India. It is spread from Tamil Nadu in the peninsular India up to Bundelkhand in the north and from Rajmahal hills in the east up to Kutch in the west. Such soil is found in the district of Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur, Banswada and Bhilwara. The soil is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide and it becomes yellow while going down. Lime, gravel and carbonate are not found in this soil. There is a deficiency of lime, magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen and potash in this soil. Crops like millet, cotton, wheat, jowar, linseed, groundnut, potato, etc. are grown in this soil. Next, laterite soil. The name of this soil, laterite, is derived from the Latin word later, which means a brick. Its red color is due to the iron oxide. When this soil becomes wet, it becomes smooth like butter, and when it is dry, it becomes very hard. It is formed due to the change of dry and moist climate and due to the prevention of silica-based material. This soil is developed in the higher area of Peninsular Plateau of India. The soil contains more of iron, potash and aluminium. The soil is less fertile, but cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew, etc. can be grown after using fertilizer. Next, mountain soil. This type of soil is found in the valley and slopy region of Himalayas at an altitude of about 2700 to 3000 meters. Its layer is very thin and underdeveloped. This soil is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. In Himalayas, the soil is found at a general altitude in the region of pine and cheed trees. Crops like tea, coffee, spices and tropical fruits. Next, desert soil. This type of soil is seen in the area where the climate is arid or semi-arid. The soil is sandy and infertile. It contains more dissolved minerals. Rajasthan, Haryana and southern Punjab have this type of soil. In Gujarat, this type of soil is found in Kutch and some part of Saurashtra. With irrigation facilities, crop like millet and jowar can be cultivated in the soil. Thank you.
Yeah.